Hello, welcome back. In this next lesson, we are going to be learning how to draw the ellipse tool. So to start, let's pick a plane. Top plane in this lesson, sketch. So the first, we aren't gonna cover this parabola, but with the two type of ellipse tool you'll be using most often is either the partial ellipse or the ellipse. So the first one is you click on the ellipse, you pick your center point, you pick your edge and you drag it up. Similar to how you draw the slot. Click your first point, your center point, pick your second point and you drag it up. And the next one is the partial ellipse, which is you pick your first point, pick your second point, drag it up, and now start drawing your ellipse. And that's how you draw the partial ellipse. Remember, it's a 4-click. Pick your first point, pick your second point, drag it up, click, and now start drawing your ellipse and click. And that is the two type of ellipse you will be using the most in SolidWorks. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye.